Welcome to the Camp Video Library. In this video you will get to know how to efficiently create stages, point actions, and triggers in Camp. Lead profiling enables marketers to tailor their lead nurturing strategies. Let's begin by understanding stages. Stages can be created and customized according to your business workflow in Camp. Go to Lead Profiling menu area and click on it to expand the sub-menus. Browse over the menu items and select the sub-menu item stages. Click on the New button in the upper right corner to create a new stage. Input the stage name, the weight assigned to the stage, and the category. Remember that only contacts belonging to the sales category stages will be visible as leads in Camp Standard Edition and the Camp mobile app. Therefore, ensure that you categorize the stages accordingly. Select Save and Close to save the stage. A message confirming that the stage has been created will appear. That's it. The stage has been successfully created. You can use the Edit, Clone, and Delete options available on the Stage List page. Now let us navigate to Points Actions. Select the second sub-menu item Points Actions under Lead Profiling. You can use point actions to enable your contacts or leads to automatically earn points based on specific actions they take, such as reading an email, engaging with content, or downloading an asset. Create a new point action by selecting the New button in the upper right corner of the page. Browse through the contact actions available in the drop-down menu under When a Contact. Let's illustrate the process of assigning points to a contact when they read a specific email. Enter the point action name, the points you wish to assign to the contact, and the required action. Note that the name, points, and action fields are mandatory. In this scenario, we've selected the action as Email Action, opens an email. Optionally, you can specify the exact email name as well. Remember to publish the point action and choose the repeatable condition. You may set this condition to Yes if you want to assign points every time the contact opens this email. Otherwise, if set to No, the points will be assigned only once when the contact opens the email first time. Save and close the point action. Note that negative points can also be assigned if your strategy calls for it. Once the point actions are defined, you can set point triggers to automatically trigger certain actions in the background when a contact reaches a minimum number of points. Select the third sub-menu item Points Triggers under Lead Profiling. Point triggers are typically used to move contacts from one stage to another when they accumulate a certain number of points. Select New on the upper right corner to create a new point trigger. In the New Trigger Details tab, enter the name, minimum number of points required to trigger this event, and the color to differentiate this trigger. Select the option Trigger for existing contacts upon saving to Yes if you require the events to be executed on the existing contacts also and not just the new contacts which gain the points. Remember to publish the trigger. Navigate to the Events tab next to the Details tab and select the Add an Event button. Let's choose the example of creating a point trigger to change the contact stage from MQL to SQL when they gain 50 points. Choose Change Contact Stage from the drop-down menu. The Change Contact Stage pop-up appears. Enter the name and select the stage to move the contact to, from the Select Stage drop-down list. Click on Add button to add the event. The Even will appear under the Events tab. More than one event can be added to a point trigger. Make sure the Published is set to Yes for the point trigger to execute in the background. Select Save and Close to save the point trigger. This guide covered creating stages, point actions, and triggers in Camp. By implementing a well-designed points-based rewards program, businesses can incentivize desired behaviors and create valuable relationships with their customers.